Welcome to our What's New in 2020 series. I'm Connor, and I'll take you through the new envelope publisher. When planning a general assembly, for example this OMAX water jet, we may be working concurrently on a few subsystems which need to reference each other. We may also have different designers working on each system. Previously, we may have done work at the top level assembly, or by creating duplicate geometry and subassemblies. These approaches added time and could be complicated to manage. Envelopes have been available as a useful tool for making reference components that do not affect calculations or BOMs. With the new envelope publisher in SOLIDWORKS 2020, we're no longer limited to the use of components in the same assembly. Now, we can simply select the components needed for reference and a destination assembly. Once the envelope is created, we can open the destination assembly to complete the task. Now, it's easy to finish all the plumbing design work in one place. We can add reference geometry or mate directly to the envelope components, ensuring the design will fit in the top-level assembly. Envelope Publisher makes it simple to work collaboratively in large assemblies and be assured the design work will fit together seamlessly. In 2020, we're given greater control over external references, and we can create envelopes from top-level assembly components.